guys, thank you for checking out my channel. My name is Joe. Today we made smoked bacon wrapped caramel apples. God, what a mouthful. I gotta come up with a better name than that. Anyways, that's what we made, and I'll show you how we did it. Alright guys, so first things first, I got some Granny Smith apples right here. You know, those classic green Granny Smith apples. And then right here I got some Honey Crisps. Alright, I'm going to be doing a couple of different ones because why not? Variety is the spice of life. We'll set this off to the side and we'll go ahead and start getting these guys carved up. So I'm just going in half. Get this core out. Boom. Now I'm doing mine in a little bit thicker chunks. This is why I'm not going to go ahead and use an apple slicer. I like the thicker chunks. I think they're going to be a lot better when we wrap them up in this bacon here. It's just going to give you a lot more to bite onto. Alright guys, our apple chunks are all cut up. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, get the bacon out here, and we'll start getting these suckers wrapped up. Oh, got some beautiful bacon strips here. Oh, love me, love me. A wire rack right here that you're gonna see a little bit off camera, but we're just gonna grab our first one. Start with this guy right here. We are literally wrapping just like that. Next thing, we're going to take a toothpick. All right, and I'm going to go straight through. Boom, and this thing is ready to go. All right, right on the rack. We're going to do one more, and then we'll speed this thing up. One more toothpick right on through. Hold everything together. Boom. That's it, guys. Boom. Granny Smith, mother of applesauce. Would you look at that? These guys are all wrapped up. We're going to go ahead and get them inside, and I'll walk you guys through the glazing process. Start off with your cup of brown sugar. Next, we're going to add our maple syrup. Fire up your stove and cook on medium heat. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Once it bubbles up like that, half shot of Tennessee whiskey, apple infused. Mix that guy in. We're gonna let that cook down until it comes back to a syrup consistency. And that's exactly what we want right there. All right, and here we got our nice hot glaze. These are going to be going over the back sides of the apples first, then we're going to flip them over and repeat the process. All right, guys, next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a little bit of salt and pepper on these things, then we're going to get them back outside to the grill. All right, as always, we're back to the Traeger. Going to get down here. We're going to preheat this sucker to 375. And get this closed up. Let it start preheating. All right, guys, we just hit temp. We're gonna get them onto the grill here. Now we're gonna let these go for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're gonna try to do this hot and fast. All right, the apples are crisp, and we want to keep them just a little bit on the crispy, kind of crunchy side, but we want to crisp up the bacon as well. So that's why we're gonna do it at this speed and at this heat. Guys, this is the final product. Again, we got the caramel drizzle all over the top of this bacon wrapped apple chunks, caramel ice cream off to the side. Once again, it's a perfect barbecue dessert. It came out exactly the way I wanted it. Now time for the taste test.